one is Sony SRS XB10 10-watt Bluetooth speaker. I'm using two Sony SRS XB10 to make it 20-watt Bluetooth speaker, and I'm using one Bose SoundLink Mini 2 50-watt Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to compare these two Sony Bluetooth speakers with the Bose SoundLink Mini 2 Bluetooth speaker. So I want everyone to wear headphone for better performance of the sound coming out from the two speakers. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like my video and enjoy. I'm using first Sony SRS XB10 Bluetooth speaker at 50% volume. SoundLink Mini 2 at 50% volume.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside me. I'm faded. So lost, I'm faded. So lost, I'm faded. Never met what I needed. I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faint lights, you set the heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Volume. Bose Mini 2 playing.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the
Sony SRS XB10. Bose Soundlink Mini 2.
All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like
Sony SRS XV2. Bose Soundlink Mini 2.
you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like.
Sony SRS XV10. So after the sound battle, the conclusion is the loudness of the two speakers are same when I take both Sony SRS XV10 Bluetooth speaker compared with the Bose 50 watt Soundlink Mini 2. But when I take one single Sony speaker, then the sound is like the 50% sound of the Soundlink Mini 2. So the bass coming out from the Sony is little less compared to that of the Soundlink Mini 2. The clarity of the sound is obviously Bose. Sony is also doing great, but in this comparison I would like to suggest go for Bose if you have money, and if you want to go for a cheap Bluetooth speaker, then you can buy Sony SRS XV10. This is also a very good speaker and portable speaker. It contains NFC and aux jack if you want to connect it by wire with non-Bluetooth speakers or non-Bluetooth devices, then you can play with this speaker. And it has micro USB port. For the case of Bose, it has micro USB port and a 3.5 mm jack for aux input, and no NFC, microphone for audio call from phone, and that's it. And the weight is little bit heavier compared to that of the Sony, because this is aluminum based body design and this is plastic based body design coated with rubber. If you drop it, nothing will happen, but if you drop this thing, you will damage the speaker. So this is another thing which I want to mention, is that these two speakers are water resistant, not waterproof, only water resistant, and this is totally for indoor purpose. This is not water resistant. So hope you enjoy my video. If you like my video, subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Thank you.